Hi traders, I'm Kagiso Mahuma and welcome to another installment of our how-to videos. Now today I'm going to be showing you real quick easy steps on how to use our BSF Trade Manager. Now the BSF Trade Manager is a cool EA that we developed ourselves so that we can obviously assist our clients with their live account trading. Now it's really simple and really easy to use, so I'm just going to take you through it quick on how you can actually implement it. So now the first key is to obviously decide in what kind of market direction are you looking to go. Are you going to go short on a market pair or are you going to go long? So are you either going to buy or are you going to sell? So I'm looking at the CAD JPY and I think I'm going to go on a sell position on this one, and automatically the BSF Trade Manager will then obviously identify my entry point. So once that has been established, I can then establish where is my stop loss and where is my take profit. Now per trade, I really enjoy going for 300 points per trade. So that is my own general preference, and that is what I'm going to use at a risk to reward ratio of 1:1. Now the real reason why the BSF Trade Manager is so cool is because we can actually place our trades based on the risk percentage of our account balance. Okay, so I'm going to click here on risk percentage and it should be highlighted in blue. Okay, and I'm going to click here 1% for my trading account. So then it automatically calculates what lot size I'll need to use so that I can make 370 Rand with 300 points. So then I can now click on place trade, and then I can see my take profit will be here at 87.72 and my stop loss will be automatic here at 88.33. From me, Kagiso Mahuma, thank you so much for watching this video. Do make sure you do subscribe to our YouTube channel.